Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about lemon chicken recipe. Take cleaned chicken in a bowl, add required amount of salt and pepper powder, add ginger garlic paste, add soya sauce and 1 beaten egg. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of maida to the chicken and mix them well. Heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken pieces till they turn golden brown in color. Heat the pan and add the chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use normal water. Here I am using chicken stock. Add 2 spoons of sugar to the chicken stock and boil it. Add lime juice. You can also add the cut lime pieces to it for enhancing its taste. In a bowl, take 1 spoon of corn flour and add some water to make it into a corn flour slurry. Add the corn flour slurry and mix it continuously. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Add a pinch of turmeric for color. Heat some oil in a pan. Add ginger garlic paste and slit green chilies. Add the fried chicken. Add the cooked chicken stock to the chicken pieces. Give this a good mix till the chicken pieces absorb the chicken stock. Add kaju on top of it. Garnish the lemon chicken with freshly chopped coriander leaves. That's it. Tasty and yummy lemon chicken is ready. I hope you liked watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.